Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida. I'm your host Broncos Guru in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the inlet. And Haulover is firing a little bit today. It's going to be interesting to see how our competitors handle it as they step into the ring with the champ. But let's go ahead and get our competition started, and we'll go ahead into the first round where we're going to have a Yamaha stepping in the ring trying to do battle with Haulover Inlet. And here we can see this guy's taking it easy as he's trying to come out, but he really needs to get this boat moving a little bit and try and get this thing up on plane. Right now he's got this bow too low and he's going to stuff it. He's going to stuff it already, and we had to see that one coming. I mean, this boat, you're going to have to get it on plane. If you're not going to get it on plane and you're going to try and idle out a haulover, it's not going to turn out well. You're going to wind up stuffing the bow just about every single time, especially if it's just a little bit rough. But here, haulover is going to be relentless and smack them hard again. I'm sure we're going to see these guys go ahead and make that infamous haulover U-turn. Let's go over to the Boats vs. Haulover air cam and see the images from the sky. Here we can see they're making their way out of haulover. Once again, just moving too slow. And here's where they're going to start getting in trouble. And bam, we stuff it, take a wave over the bow, and haulover just continues to pound these guys as they're working their way out. They will continue on out of the inlet right here, but man, it's just not a fun ride. There's no reason to be out here on this day in this type of vessel unless you know exactly what you're doing. And here, I hate to say it, but the cap just didn't have the right pace to really make it out with this boat on this day. And unfortunately, we've got no choice, but we're gonna have to go ahead and give this first round to Haulover Inlet. This, of course, will give Haulover the early 1-0 lead as we head into our second round. Let's see if the boats can pick it back up from here. Here we're going to have this Boston Whaler working its way out of Haulover, but they're coming out a little slow as well. And oh no! They stuff it as well! These guys, they just didn't have the boat quite up on plane. The wave caught them off guard just a little bit, and unfortunately they stuffed that bow and took water right over the top of the boat. And these ones are always interesting to watch. It looks like we've got Mom sitting here in the back seat, and to be honest, she looks absolutely terrified. Unfortunately though, with stuffing the bow, these guys are going to take a loss for the boats here in this round, and Haulover is going to go up 2-0. Here in the third round, the boats are going to have to pick this one back up, or Haulover could go for the clean sweep. But this one doesn't look good as we've got a pontoon stepping in the ring with Haulover, and oh no, they're going to stuff it too! They stuff it as well! We had to kind of see this one coming though. The pontoon's coming in entirely too slow, but it's just not the right tool for the job on a day like today. But right here you'll see it. Boom, this boat gets stuffed, and these guys are gonna have issues with haulover. But I don't know what these guys really expected with this one. I mean, it's a rough day. We've got a heavy outgoing tide. The wind is blowing today. I can't imagine at any point in time somebody legitimately thought, hey bro, let's go take the sun tracker out of haulover today and see how she handles it. She wasn't going to handle it well. We could have easily told you that one. And having this boat sideways like this right now is not a good position to be in haulover either, because these guys are going to keep taking waves to the side. They do finally get it straightened back out and start to make their way out of Haulover Inlet, but man, it is just ugly the whole way through, and they really are not going to have a choice. They're just going to have to turn this one around, do the haulover U-turn, and head back in and maybe hit up Haulover Sandbar and chill out there for the day. But the unfortunate aspect for this one is these guys are going to take a loss for the boats here, and that means Haulover is going to go for the hat trick, take the clean sweep of the first 3 rounds, and that's all it needs. With the 3 rounds secured, Haulover will take the win in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.